Are you scared of balancing of chemical equations? If yes, then please go through this lesson. I will teach you a very simple trick where you can do any complicated balancing within just 30 seconds. Let's start. Let me start the first example. NH3 plus O2 is NO plus H2O. To do this balancing trick, first I put A before NH3, B before O2, C before NO, and D before H2O. I will write the names of the elements: nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. These are the three elements present here. So now nitrogen here is 1. So A is will be equal to, on the right side here also N is 1. So A equal to C. Now before O2 is B. So 2B, on the right side oxygen is 1. So it will be 2B is equal to C plus D. And for hydrogen, left side is 3A. This will be equal to 2D. Now see, you see the maximum number of times each alphabet appears. A appears twice, C appears twice, D appears twice. So I take any one. I take A equal to 1. So if A is equal to 1, C is also equal to 1. Now we take from this 3A equal to 2D, D is equal to 3 by 2A, that is 3 by 2, because A is equal to 1. And 2B is equal to C plus D. C is 1 and D is 3 by 2. So from this oxygen equation, 2B equal to C plus D, I get 2B is equal to 5 by 2. So B is equal to 5 by 4. Now I put these figures in the equation. A is 1. So NH3 plus B is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 O2 is C is 1. So NO, and D is 3 by 2. Now we find in the fractions the 4 and 2, LCM is 4. So I multiply the whole equation by 4. So 4NH3 plus 5O2 is 4NO plus 6H2O. The equation is perfectly balanced. Now I show you the second example. The equation is C4H10 plus O2 is CO2 plus H2O. Like the previous example, I put A, B, C and D. Now you find from this that for I write the name of the elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So if I see the carbon on the left hand side, 4A is equal to, on the right side it is C. For hydrogen it is 10A is equal to 2D. And for oxygen it is 2B is equal to 2C plus D. Now I find A comes twice, B comes once and D comes twice. So I take A is equal to 1. I just put A equal to 1 in the equation. So C is equal to 4. And from here, from this equation, I get 2B is equal to 2C plus D. And from this equation, 10A is equal to 2D. So 2D is equal to 10. So D is equal to 5. And from this equation, if I put the figures of C and D, it becomes 2B is equal to 2 into 4 plus 5, that is 13. So B is equal to 13 by 2. Now I put the figures here. C4H10 plus 13 by 2 O2 is 4CO2 plus 5H2O. Now here I multiply the whole numbers by 2. So it will be 2C4H10 plus 13O2 is 8CO2 plus 10H2O. Now we find this equation is perfectly balanced. So this is so simple and so uncomplicated. So please follow this and do your own balancing very easily. Thank you.